Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to remove your Eufy Doorbell camera from its mounting bracket. The process is simple and only takes a minute once you know where the release slot is. So start by locating the release hole on the camera. On most Eufy doorbells, it's found on either the bottom or the top of the unit. It's rarely placed on the back, so you generally won't need to look there. Next, grab the removal pin that comes with your Eufy doorbell. The small tool is designed to release the locking mechanism. Insert the pin into the release hole. If you have misplaced the original tool, you can try using a straightened paper clip instead. A SIM eject tool may also work, but since it's thinner, it might not press the latch properly. Push the pin gently into the hole until you feel it stop. Once you feel some resistance, apply a little more pressure to unlock the latch. While holding the pin in place, slide the doorbell off the mounting bracket. If the release hole is on the bottom, slide the camera upward. If the hole is on the top, slide it downward instead. Once the camera comes free from the mount, you can take it inside to recharge the battery or perform any maintenance you need. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.